SUS is a biotechnology company developing a revolutionary method to control sex in poultry embryos. During incubation, we influence the expression of genes responsible for the development of the reproductive system. Our unique software-powered protocol is implemented in a customized incubation cell. A proprietary combination of environmental conditions, including sound vibration, transforms male embryos into egg-laying females. Using a system of multi-sensors to gather thousands of data points at a pair egg level, we apply machine learning and data analysis to optimize our protocol. Dozens of experiments in industrial incubators have proved that genetic males can be efficiently transformed into commercial egg layers. Designed for seamless implementation in commercial hatcheries, our solution requires no addition to the industrial layer production process. SUS, revolutionizing egg production.